Hey guys, welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. So, you just got a brand new iPhone, but all your contacts or other data are stuck on the old one. Super frustrating, right? Don't worry. Today I'll show you 3 easy ways to transfer contacts from iPhone to iPhone. Let's go. Method 1. Transfer all iPhone contacts with AirDrop. This is quick for small batches. If the two phones are side by side and you only need to share a few contacts, AirDrop is perfect. Just swipe down and turn on AirDrop on both iPhones. Then, on the old iPhone, open Contacts, press and hold a name. Tap Share, choose AirDrop, and select the new iPhone. And boom, your contact shows up instantly. Here is the best part. You can also use your 2 fingers to tap and scroll down to the bottom of the contact list. To select all contacts, you can also do it separately. Then long press the contacts to share with your new phone. But if you have a lot of contacts, this can take forever. Let's move on. Method 2. Transfer all iPhone contacts with iCloud Sync. Want everything to sync by itself? Use iCloud. On the old iPhone, open Settings, tap your Apple account, go to iCloud, and switch on Contacts. Then grab your new iPhone, log in with the same Apple ID, turn on Contact Sync, and connect to Wi-Fi. After a short wait, all your contacts appear automatically. But if your iCloud storage is full, or you're using a different Apple ID, you'll need another solution. Method 3. Transfer all iPhone contacts with Tenorshare iCareFone. This is where Tenorshare iCareFone really shines. It's a trusted tool used by millions, and it makes large transfers simple and secure. Here's how it works. First, connect your old iPhone to the computer and open iCareFone. Go to Manage, click Contacts, select what you want, and export everything as a CSV file. Then disconnect the old phone, connect the new one, open iCareFone. Then go to the Management tab and click on Contacts. Next, choose Import and select the CSV file you exported earlier. Wait a moment, and all your contacts will be transferred to your new iPhone. In this way, all contacts are transferred to the new iPhone, and you can save a local backup of the address book on your computer. So here's the thing. AirDrop is fine for a few contacts. iCloud is good if you've got enough storage, but both have limits. iCareFone solves it all, letting you transfer hundreds of contacts in just minutes. And it's not just for contacts. You can also back up your iPhone or move all your data to another device with ease. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more iPhone tips. See you next time.